if you look first at number 7 on your page, you will see that number 7 says 7 1/10 plus 4 5/10 equals something, right? Our first step is that we need to change these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, we don't want to deal with a whole number and a fraction. We only want to look at an improper fraction. So how do I change 7 1/10 to a mixed number? 7 1/10 to an improper fraction. I'm going to do what, Ella?
I'm gonna do what 7 times 10 is, which is 70.
7 groups of 10 is 70 plus 1 for that one leftover gives us a fraction of, Ella? 71 tenths plus, we want to change our other fraction into, or our other mixed number into an improper fraction. So we do 4 whole groups of 10 is 40 plus the additional 5 left over is 45 tenths. Now, when we were adding fractions, all we needed to make sure we had were common denominators, correct?
Yes.
Do we have a common denominator? So, all we have to do now is add straight across. So, up over here I'll do my work. 71 plus 45. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 7 plus 4 is 11. So our total is 116 out of tenths. Now, we don't ever want to leave anything as an improper fraction. So, we want to change it to a mixed number. 116 tenths, how many groups of 10 can we pull out of 116? How many full groups of 10 can we pull out of 116? Sabrina? 11 whole groups, which would be 110. And how many are left over, Brooke? 6. So, and 6 tenths. So that is our answer. So our question mark up here equals 11 6 tenths. All right, we're now looking at number 1, which says 7 1/6 minus 3 4/6. So our first step is to change both mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay? When we do that, 7 1/6, well, we say 7 whole groups of 6 would be 42. Plus that 1 extra left over makes it 43 with a denominator of 6. Okay? Minus 3 4/6 as an improper fraction will be 3 whole groups of 6. We're looking up here. 3 whole groups of 6 is 18, plus this 4 gives us 22 sixths. Now, just like we did when we did adding and subtracting fractions without mixed numbers and whole numbers included, we said as long as they have the same denominator, you can add or subtract across. So, all we need to do, we have this common denominator of 6. The common denominator here of 6 allows us to just subtract right across. So, I'll do my work over here. 43 minus 22. Well, 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, when we bring that over to our answer, 43 sixths minus 22 sixths gives us 21 sixths. That's technically an improper fraction, correct?
Yes.
So, what we need to do is change this into a mixed number again, because that's the proper way to write your fractions. You need to ask yourself, how many times can 6 go into 21? 6 can go into 21 3 times, which gives us a total of 18. And then 18 and how many more gets us to 21? Andrew? 3. So our answer is 3 and 3/6. You have the option to then simplify that fraction, which means that our whole number doesn't change. It will always be 3 wholes. But can you reduce 3/6? It goes down. If you listed out your factors, you would find that 3 out of 6 is also equal to 1/2. For the purpose of adding and subtracting mixed numbers, I want you to focus on making sure that you have the mixed numbers and the work correct. The simplifying fraction is not something that we need to worry about at this point. So your answer to 7 and 1/6 minus 3 and 4/6 equals 3 and 3/6, or 3 and 1/2.